Hi, I am Smurfina and this is the new Smurf movie. Nice ass papa.
Correct. We need your help. Gargoyle keeps trying to cook us. You need to defeat him. The only way to do this is to eat him.
Okay, father, I will not let you down. It looks like we have arrived at our location. There's Gargoyle.
Do not hurt me, I am actually a Smurf.
Nom 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 nom.